Hey everyone, it's Aditi here. Today's video is all about 2 easy summer drinks. So let's start. For watermelon mojito, we will need half cup of chopped watermelons, 3 to 4 lemon slices, 2 to 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, then we need to add few mint or pudina leaves. Now we will mix everything together with the help of mortar. Next we will add few ice cubes and then we need to add chilled soda to it. Stir a little to mix everything together. Now we will garnish it with mint leaves and a lemon slice. And our watermelon mojito is ready. Now we will start with the next recipe, which is pineapple mint punch. For this recipe, we will need chopped pineapples, next we need to add few mint or pudina leaves, then we need to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. For diluting it, we need to add half glass of water. Now we're just gonna blend it. After blending the mixture, you can also sieve it. Then we need to add 3 to 4 ice cubes and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now pineapple mint punch is ready. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you liked it, share it with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.